Alright, this will be a video tutorial on how to make this. It's a little Disk Detainer lockpick. Let me focus here. As you can see, it's really simple. Works fine. I've already picked one lock with it. Things you will definitely need: gaffer tape, some iron wire, this tool, a soldering tool. Well, of course, you're going to need some of this to solder with. You need some tubing for the center part. You gotta use something strong, like this is metal, and you'll need to tension the first disc with it. So, optionally, coffee, some of these rubber bands. Well, first of all, cut your piece of cylinder up, like so. Determine the length in whatever way you like. I've kept it pretty short, as you can see. Hold on. You will need something that will fit the lock, because it has to tension the first disc. So you can just file this down like so to create a shape like this. So with it you can tension the first disc. Then create something like this. This is really crappy, but it's just for demonstration purposes. Then you can put it through the tube you made, and then you have to solder this up. Close it real nice, so it makes a good strong connection. When you're done with that, you can cut these ends off, and then that will create this. And you can sand this down if you want to a correct size, whatever. You have to do this first, because the handlebar is created from the same metal, like so. And solder this up also. Make sure it's long enough, because you want to reach all the way to the bottom of the keyhole. In fact, I even made these double, like so, and also solder this totally closed. And then, well, that's that. As you can see, this is really crappy, but it's just for how to do it. So, cut these off. After that, I've put some of these rubber bands on it. You can just slide them over the top, like so. So you can have a little more grip. Put some gaffer tape on it, and that's it. That should do it. So, good luck making one, and post a video response if you made one, because I'm really curious. Have fun.